How often do you get recognized when going outside? It's gotten to the point where it's actually every day I go outside. Like, anytime I go outside and I actually go to public. It used to be like 50-50, but I would say every time I go out. Like, just yesterday when we went to the mall, or not mall, I'm sorry. What? Went to the movies. When we went to see Us. I was surprised at first. I was like, oh shit, no one recognized me at the theater, nothing. Chilling. As we were going to the car, a random car drives right past me and then just stops really quick, and I just hear somebody yell, "Is that Shroud?" I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm like, hey. And he was just freaking out. I was like, holy shit. And then they drove off. I was like, all right. So I almost went a whole day without being recognized.
Arm.
Holy fuck, that guy had some gear.
Took out an enemy.
That's how you do it.
Sorry. Scared me.
Reloading. I am taking fire, friends.
Can't miss when you're zoomed into their fucking soul, you know what I mean? Most recently, I've had, every time I've gone to the doctor, someone's recognized me too. Like the nurse, or I don't know what that would be considered.
You have made my life ache today, Shroud.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I told my wife, like, the second I saw your name, I told my wife.
Hell yeah. Let's try to get this dub, yeah?
Fuck yeah.
Basically, someone came into the room before my surgeon came in, and he was just on the computer, and he was just like writing shit down, like asking me a couple questions. And he stopped for a second. He's just like, you know, I don't think I'm supposed to say this. I don't know really, because I've never thought I would have to say this, but like, are you Shroud? I was like, yeah, that's me. I was in the hospital for a couple hours before I got transported to another hospital when I had my accident or whatever. And then like one of the nurses came up to me randomly, and they're like, yeah, you seem to be really popular in this hospital right now. And I was like, what do you mean? And they said that one person talked to another person, and that person talked to another person. I don't like this. Oh, never mind. I'm down. This is so weird. There's two teams here or something. I don't understand what's going down. We're in a bad spot because there's two teams.
Yeah.
Oh, there's three teams. What the fuck?
The next ring is quite far. Reloading.
Just try to get to cover or something behind this rock.
Yep.
I just did a lot of damage, so they have to heal for a sec. Just get some heals off before you take the zip line.
Just gotta patch myself up. Charging shields. Come on.
Good job, me. Whole squad down.
That's how you do it.
That was actually kind of scary. We were in a bit of a pickle.
Using mid.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that was a lot more than I thought.
Yeah. There's still more, I think. Yeah, in here. 1 HP Wraith. I got her.
Reloading. Where the fuck I am? Contact with target. Reloading. Taking out more enemies.
He's low. Nice. Where did they? Oh, there. Oh, shit. Never mind, these guys are clueless.
Yeah.
I killed the whole squad. Cool. Giving my shield a recharge.
Charging up my shields.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Low. Drop down.
Hostile over there. Good job, me. Whole squad down.
I knew you were
Let's win.
Last squad in front of us, north.
Yep.
Bloodhound's low. Next to the truck.
Using grapple.
Fuck.
Enemy down. Recharging shield. Giving my shields a recharge. Reloading.
10 seconds. Ring is basically
GG's, friends.
GG.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
Pathfinder first kill of the day. What?
Where the fuck I am.
Thank you guys. First of Legion, Tobias, Renown, Wayne's Boomstick. Thank you. First time sub. Keep up the great work. Hope your arm gets better soon. Thank you, Risky Apple. I hope so too.
Where the fuck I am.
I hope so too.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
I think I'm gonna play Bangalore. My chat's saying Bangalore, please. I'll play Bangalore for you guys. I used to love Bangalore.
Okay. If you want Octane, you could take him.
No, he's yours.
Okay, okay.
Maybe next game, yeah.
Sure.
First blood. Tastes like victory.
Where the fuck I am. Where
Whoa, what the fuck? Oh no.
Giving him the chimney. Reloading.
I'm dead.
Yeah, same.
Well, next game.
Giving him the chimney.
Doesn't matter. It's a race to the beacon.
Fire.
Hannah, I need you. Hannah, I need you. Hannah, I need you. Hannah, I need you.
Double timing it. Reloading.
Hannah!
I'm coming. I'm coming!
Got me. I'm down.
Hello?
Throwing jump pad.
Fuck do you go? Oh. Here's AFK. Hold on.
Reloading. Down to target.
Under us. Coming up this.
Really?
Reloading. My sights down to
Got
nothing.
blue armor.
Stop in a chimney.
There's one more under us or something. I hear it in here, I think.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah, he's
nice.
coming up the right close.
Fine.
Shit. You don't need to worry about Mike. You're already a god.
Here.
Where the fuck
Damn.
Oh, whoa.
Fire.
I got owned.
Go down.
Where the fuck I am.
Nah,
Reloading.
Another team.
Wouldn't let down left.
Purple. Two of them.
Fire, friends.
Nice. Last one.
Right here.
Anyone have a med kit for me?
I have syringes, that's it.
I am taking fire, friends.
You want them?
Yeah.
oh,
Down another.
he's maddening. Flying to the zone.
Shields to recharge.
There's one more,
me?
Hannah. Help.
Me? Here.
Amigos, let's go here. It's go time.
Okay.
I'm down.
Dropping the tag.
My ult, my ult, my ult.
Yeah. Gonna heal up.
My ult hit one of them, hit two of them.
I'm gonna help Hannah.
Yep.
It's like 2 teams. I'm
shield's
pretty
dead.
sure.
1 second.
I got you.
Thank you.
If I get shot at, I gotta fucking.
Give my shield a recharge.
There's he's in between the.
I'm top as well. One down up here.
On me, on me, on me, on me.
One down, another one up. Just one. 2. Dead. Another one in the water. Fighting. She's oh, I'm down.
Dead.
In the water. He's really hurt. I'm going for Tyler. Nice.
Good shit.
Jesus. That got wild for a sec.
Yeah, it did. Wow, that game was fast. What the fuck?
Yeah.
You are the Apex champions.
Did you say that guy was really hurt, Hannah?
Yeah.
Where the fuck I am.
It's go time. Reloading.
Where the fuck I am.
Reloading. Down. Reloading.
Dude, come on.
Here we go. First blood. Down that one. Reload.
I threw a nade on him.
For long,
Getting
pal.
shot from your back very far. Weird.
Oh, you know what? This is in this. I saw his name.
Right.
Oh, shit. Mike.
Uh-huh.
Down one. Reloading. Boom. Another one down. Reloading.
Thank you.
Come on, compadre. Get up. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, that's Vis over there. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Maybe not, actually. Hold on. Actually, it is.
No,
It is. It
definitely
is.
is.
It is.
It
He's
is.
right there. He's right there. That's Vis.
Go faster.
One's on me.
Other side, broken shit.
Tanner is down.
Broken.
Vis is dead.
Nice.
Found another one.
Where's Crafty? Crafty on me. Purple armor.
Dead.
Jump.
Suffer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whoa. Deploy. Redeploy. Inside as well. Push on me. I don't think so. Yikes. I didn't get the first either. Fuck.
Dude, you should
GG. I got stuck between a rock and a rock, dude.
Oh, we got him. Threat,
Oh, we got him, boys.
threat neutralized.
Mm-hmm.
More on me? What? Yeah.
Okay.
Race 1 HP. Race dead. The other one's low on the right. Right wall. Dead. He's trying to thirst me! What the f— I think there— is that your nades, Tyler?
Yeah, it was. That's
That's
not.
not. That's not.
Oh, they're coming from over there. I'm marking on that wall.
I gotta use a Phoenix.
Other side.
Yep. 40 to 1 blue shield.
He's broken shield.
Gotcha.
Running out. Phasing out.
Yeah. Another team though. Another
Other
team.
wall.
Unless that's his teammate. That could be his teammate.
One down. I can shoot Hannah.
Oh, Hannah's
I'm
dead.
going for
Hannah's
Hannah.
dead.
No. Okay, we can revive you right here. Got you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's Hannah's body. Oops.
Wow.
Sorry, Hannah.
Uh-huh.
Where's this guy's teammates at, man?
Target spotted.
Octane.
Oh, he's low. 30 health.
Okay. I don't see him.
I got him. That was really hard. I was going so fast. Fucking love this character, dude. He's great.
He's so fun.
Zipping down.
Yeah, they're coming down.
Grenade out! Grenade out!
Fuck. One got gold armor.
Okay. To your left.
Uh-huh.
Broken gold armor. Running. 50.
Dead.
Reloading! Down one.
By the rock. What's up?
Okay.
Shields.
Oh, right there.
Enemy spotted over there.
2 of them. One got white.
Yeah, I can't.
Here I go. Must go faster. Reloading. Down that one.
This one's running down the hill here. Purple armor. Low.
Setting up a
Enemy
supply.
fucked up.
Reloading.
60 health.
Reloading.
I hit him once.
Whole squad ate my dog.
2 on mark.
Taking fire. Direct hit.
Mirage is on mark. Running a speed limit.
Yeah, I got him.
Reloading. Down one.
You're here on Mark. In the smoke.
Giving my shields a recharge.
They're going up the hill.
Cute.
Nice.
Jeff, check out that care package. Throwing jump pad. Opening fire on the enemy. Reloading. Taking
Bangalore's.
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore's ran away. Oh.
Say adios to an entire squad. Damn, I'm good at this.
Wait, what? I thought there was 4 squads left. Now there's 2? Did they kill a squad? They must have. Oh, hello. These guys have no gear at all. What the hell happened to my fucking shots, man? That was ridiculous.
Yeah.
Did you kill Pathfinder?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sorry, it was hard to like.
I couldn't fucking. Fuck.
Yeah.
I can't wait to be able to actually fucking control my aim better. So annoying playing like this. Playing so fucking casually pissed me off. But I have to because I have to keep both my arms super straight. Oh. Good.
Damn, you got your turntable and everything.
Mm-hmm. DJ Hero, baby.